In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the write permission error in DaVinci Resolve in a quick and easy way. This issue usually happens when Resolve is blocked from saving files, generating cache, or accessing your project folder properly. The good news is, in most cases, the fix is simple and only takes a few minutes. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorial videos. Alright, let's get started. First, close DaVinci Resolve completely. If the app is still running in the background, the permission changes may not apply properly, so make sure it is fully closed before moving on. Next, locate the folder where your project files or media files are stored. On Windows, open File Explorer and find the folder. On Mac, open Finder and locate the same folder. We're doing this because the error is often caused by restricted folder permissions, which means Resolve does not have the access it needs to write data into that location. Once you've found the folder, right-click on it. On Windows, choose Properties. On Mac, choose Get Info. This will open the folder's permission settings, where you can check whether your user account has the correct access. Now look for the Permissions section. On Windows, go to the Security tab. On Mac, scroll down to Sharing and Permissions. Make sure your user account is set to Full Control on Windows or Read and Write on Mac. This is very important because DaVinci Resolve needs write access to save project data, create cache files, and update media information without being blocked by the system. If your account only has read access or if the folder is set to limited permissions, that is likely the reason you are seeing the error. If needed, click Edit on Windows and change the permissions, or unlock the padlock on Mac and adjust the access level to read and write. If you see other users or system groups listed, make sure nothing is preventing your account from writing to the folder. After making the changes, click Apply or confirm the updates so the new permissions are saved properly. Then close out of the folder settings. Once that is done, reopen DaVinci Resolve and try loading your project again. In many cases, the write permission error disappears immediately after the folder access has been corrected. If the problem continues, double-check that the project is not stored in a restricted location, such as a protected system folder, external drive with limited permissions, or a synced cloud folder that may be blocking writes. Moving the project to a normal local folder with full access can also solve the issue. So the main cause is usually restricted folder permissions, or the system blocking write access, and the fix is to give your user proper read and write or full control permission, then reopen Resolve. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more DaVinci Resolve troubleshooting tips, editing guides, and workflow fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.